What's up, guys? Rusted Nuts and Ratchets Garage here, just doing a revised catch can install video. It's already installed. Last week I installed it with the hoses hooked up incorrectly. One in particular, the IAC valve was drawing from the catch can, so it was essentially sucking the oil mist into the IAC valve, as opposed to in through the intake to the engine. So here's my setup. So instead of having my hose going from the IAC valve across to the nipple on the catch can, I've got a little K&N filter breather there. That should filter all the air coming into the IAC valve and look alright, whatever. So then you have, coming off of your valve cover here, a 1/2 inch hose. Coming over to a 1/2 inch hose barb in, and then here is a molded hose from a Subaru. Kind of works out nicely and has this nice rubber insulation piece over it, and that comes into my intake elbow. Now I do have one that's metal. I'm probably going to install after. This is just a mock-up, and I'll probably go with AN fittings and braided lines as well. So what I have to do is get either a plug for this one for now, or a vacuum bypass cap, which I don't think I have any in my pocket, or do I? I do have an egg in there. Gross. So I broke an egg in my pocket when getting him out of the chicken coop, but here's a vacuum bypass cap, but this one's too small for that. So either you can get, what do you call it, a threaded cap to go in there. And I've also seen some photos on the internet of where the PCV valve is. The PCV valve is here, a hose coming up and across and into here. But I'm just going to cap this one off for now and keep the vacuum sealed. So then I should be collecting all my oil mist in here and clean air going into my intake. So that's pretty well the setup there. I don't think I missed anything this time. Special thanks to, I think it's Runco Jr. or at Runco JR on Instagram for spotting what I had hooked up incorrectly and quickly notifying me. I do appreciate that. And in about a week's time, I'll repost the video of the like 1,200 kilometers or however. I'm gonna drive it to work, back and forth to work all week, and then I'll repost the video. So that's pretty well it there. Like I said, one hose in, one hose out into your intake, and cover your breather, or don't. Some people say it's okay not to, and that's about it. And then cap this one off with a vacuum cap. So thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and tap the notification bell if you want to see more stuff when I post. So.